Did you know that California leads the nation in the production of cantaloupe? It's true. Hi, Meg with California Grown here, and today we are honoring a quintessential summer classic, the cantaloupe. California cantaloupes are available in supermarkets around the country from April through early December. And today, we are transforming an entire cantaloupe into a refreshing pitcher of agua fresca that can be leisurely sipped under the sun. Agua fresca means fresh water in Spanish, and that's exactly what this drink is. A refreshing water-based beverage made up of little more than fresh melon, citrus juice, and water. Start by thoroughly washing the outside of the cantaloupe to remove any dirt. Use a sharp knife to carefully remove the ends of the melon, creating a flat, sturdy surface. Remove all of the rind from the cantaloupe, slice it in half, and remove the seeds. Further break down the melon and add all of the pieces to your blender. To that, add the juice of 4 really juicy limes and then drizzle in a 1/4 cup of pure California honey, aka liquid gold. Now, add about 2 cups of filtered water and blend. Blend until completely smooth and frothy on top. Then, use a spoon to remove any foam that has risen to the surface. You can immediately enjoy this agua fresca over ice, or it will keep in the fridge for up to 3 days. Just make sure to give it a good shake because natural separation will occur. California cantaloupe farmers go to great lengths to make sure each cantaloupe they grow is healthy, safe, and delicious. From their fields in California to your glass. Happy sipping.